Wishy-washy. G'day guys, welcome back to my channel. Just going to quickly show you a small amount of devastation in our river. So that's nowhere near as flooded as it was. So basically it went down overnight and we were supposed to get another big flood today and it never happened, which is so good. I mean the weather is pretty crappy and I thought I might report to you guys that everything's okay on my end, and I'm going to still keep brewing. So this bridge up here was underwater yesterday. Cars couldn't cross it. Now we're all back to normal. I hope the lights work on there because it's got nice blue lights on there. I hope they've been blown. Check it out. This one went under. Looks like it did. No one's touching it. You can see the water line on, if you can see that. You can see the water line up there. Just cleaning up. So looking pretty devastating. This building here, guys, this one is a newly built building. Now I've got some footage that I can show you that the news has released. This is, what is it? The butter factory, and the underground car park was devastated.
This extraordinary scene played out in the basement car park at the Mantra Hotel. Rainwater swallowing cars that float away. Even the security camera submerged.
Check the footage out on that one, eh? Okay, it's not a laughing matter, I know. So I'm going to show you the bridge that was underwater just before. This is a footbridge. They raised it because we know that we have flooding here sometimes, every 10 years or more. And here it is. That used to be a cruddy little walkway and we made it a nice big, oh we didn't, I didn't, but the council did. So these are the houses that went under over here. A lot of cleaning up happening at the moment. So this is our little bike path we have here. Just there's someone's barbecue gone. A friend of mine just saw, I've got an acquaintance I know lives up here. His house was under. That's our little river that's normally running like a trickle. It's not running as a trickle today. I wonder how sloshy the grass is. Oh yeah, it's good. Just need to clean tyres. So this here is Lena's. This is a little restaurant as well. These guys are closed, of course. They've gone under. I think they went under. I'm not sure actually. Doesn't look too bad. Anyway, that's another little restaurant. Selena. This road was blocked a little bit. This bottlenecking, and we don't get a lot of traffic. We get a lot, not a lot. So I just get across the highway here. Might just go to the lights to do that. And I'll go the other side. Well, let's see if it's sloshy. Let's see if I'll crash my bike. You ready? Nope, all good. All right. So sometimes we have some homeless people parking their bucks over here. They all come down from the city. I'll show you the bridge. G'day.
How you going?
Good. So like I said, all this was underwater yesterday. There's our Lake Traralgon. Duck having a ball. So it is sloshy around here. I shouldn't be riding here. Gotta get out of here. I'm gonna chew up the grass. Oh, that's smart, wasn't it? Oh yeah. All right, I'm out. Whoops. Okay, a lot of weddings get photographed here. This park is normally beautiful. As you can tell, it's windy. Hope you can hear me through the mic. I've got a little shield on it. Hopefully that blocks the wind. So when I went to work yesterday morning, all of this was underwater. And the water has now subsided a considerable amount. We couldn't see that bridge over here. So I'll just dart you guys across different places that went underwater. Still a bit crappy weather-wise. I'll go down there and have a look. So normally we can cross here, but that ain't happening today. Oh, the brake didn't want to work. So yes, normally this is quite beautiful here. I'm going to go bring you to the music shell. I've played there before. I'll take a photo of that. I'll show you a photo of my band playing in the music shell. And I'll show you a photo of it underwater as well. So check this out. So hard to believe that that was up nearly up to the roof yesterday. The water has subsided so much. So there you go, that's the music shell. So guys, to answer all of your questions, I'm in a raised area where I live. The floods didn't come to me, but it did affect my working hours. Doesn't matter too much. Hey, check this out, a little ducky, hang on. He can't swim, he's not strong enough. Bring you to another area I just want to check out and then we'll be done. This looks like a news guy down here doing these filming, getting ready for everything. So I thought I'd just quickly drag you down here and see how far the water's running. Well, someone needed a balloon. Lost their balloon. So you can see that the water dropped a log right in the middle of the road. Check it out. The water rose. I don't know if you can tell, there's a fair bit of a hill there. Someone actually got stuck under that bridge. They do every year, every time we have floods, someone gets stuck under that bridge. Have a look at the sky behind it though, how grey is it? So the water got to that line, and now I'm going to go check out Shakespeare Street. Yeah, so looks like I'm not going to get to Shakespeare Street here. That's normally the way through, but that's not going to happen today. What we've got up there is our rail bridge, and there's the water rushing under it. Usually a footpath goes straight out to the other side, not today. So I'll have to turn back. Hey fellas, how are ya? Yeah, all right. Make much difference in your day, did it, all this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got 260 trolleys we can't use.
Oh, well, there you go.
Yeah.
So
yeah, it's a bit of a nightmare, to be honest.
So you have to go
chase the ones that have been taken.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Unreal.
We've got nothing to rotate with.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
So that's it. So you're running out, getting trolleys coming back, and
Yeah, pretty much.
yeah, unreal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait for them to get used so we can grab them again.
Poor buggers.
Yeah, but oh well, we still get paid.
Well, that's right, I suppose. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, no worries. Cheers. I've got to get home before it gets dark.
Yeah, no worries, mate. Good luck.
Catch you later. And here's a smart one. We have floods here once every 10 years or so, and the council thought they stopped it from happening again, but it didn't, did it? So here we are again, underwater in Traralgon, and starting all over again. That was the old Pizza Hut turned into a attorney's office. Pizza Hut failed in Traralgon, and underground it got flooded, and of course the buildings that were part of underground got flooded too. But before that, this was the only building we could always go to get a meal, even when it flooded. How cool is that? Looks like they survived pretty good actually, that one. Sorry, I'm not going that way. No. I've already been through there. It's a bit slippery, that's the only thing.
Yeah, I'll try and keep my balance.
Yeah.
How crazy is it?
Oh, I remember this years ago when it happened.
Yeah, but I don't think was it this bad?
Yeah, it was worse.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they didn't have the flood control before.
Yeah, whereas we at least had some sort of
Yeah.
crazy stuff there.
Yeah, normally it lasts a week. Now it's only a day or two, and that's it.
Yeah.
But that's part of life, isn't it? See ya. All right, guys, I'm signing off. That's it for me. I'm going home for a beer now, and I'll relax and maybe edit another video for you. See you soon. Cheers, guys.